Hello, everybody. A very good afternoon. It is prelims time and a month before. This is the time where most of us look for something related to current affairs. Current affairs is a very important part of the exam. We all understand. So, here we are with a dedicated program. Revamp is going to help you with almost 250 topics. These are very well planned, taken out, specific from this year's prelims context. Targeted understanding, 10 days, 50 hours. These 50 hours are going to give you at least 20 to 25 questions. That's an assurance. Revamp is designed so that you will be targeting specific revision of the current affairs. A quick, rapid revision of current affairs program coming to you starting Monday, 17th of this month. All the very best. Join in and learn it. Thank you so much.